Students, welcome back to the computer science class. Already we have completed the lesson 1 and the fair note as well as the practical note. So today we are going on to the second lesson, spreadsheet, formulas and functions. So before going into the lesson, we should see a small introduction about what is spreadsheet. What is spreadsheet? In the class 6th standard, you have learned how to use Microsoft Office Word. In this class 7, you are going to learn a new software, that is Microsoft Office Excel. So here the word Excel referred here as spreadsheet. So Microsoft Office spreadsheet we are going to learn in this lesson. So how to use this spreadsheet, what is spreadsheet, how we are going to use the formulas and the functions inside the spreadsheet. So a spreadsheet, it's a file that consists of thousands of cells. It consists of so many cells, and all these cells together forms rows and columns, and they can even help arrange, calculate and even sorting the datas. So the datas in a spreadsheet, it can be of numeric values and even the text or formulas, reference and even functions. So a spreadsheet, it is used to calculate, or you can enter a large number of datas in spreadsheet rather than in Microsoft Word. If we are having a large number of datas, spreadsheet will be very useful to enter into it. And if we are going to add, or if we are going to use any calculations, mathematical calculations for a large number of datas, spreadsheet will be very useful. So first of all, inside the spreadsheet lesson, here we have a picture. Here in this picture you can see a formula that is given in the 3 rows. See the first picture, first line, equal to sum A2 is to A9. Inside the bracket they have given a spreadsheet. In the spreadsheet, formula will always starts with an equal to sign. So here you can see that equal to sign in front of the formula. So this formula that are used in MS Excel, it should have an equal to sign, and through this equal to sign only the Excel they comes to know that the number or the cell, it forms a formula. How many rows or how many columns, it forms a particular formula, it is mentioned in the row or column. And the mathematical rules are used for deciding the sequence of operations for these formulas. What are the mathematical rules they have given there? Sum they have given there. Sum means we are going to add these A2 to A9. Okay, and see the next heading, formulas and functions. So for what is called formulas? A formula, it is used to calculate an expression or an operator, and a formula should always starts with the sign equal to. Here in this picture you can see an example, equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3, and here the A1, A2, A3 they are referred to as operands, that is called value, and plus symbol, it refers to the operator, that means we are going to add all these values, and a formula should always start with the symbol equal to. So this is a very good example for the word formula. Okay, and the next comes what is called functions. So here a function is defined as ready to use the formulas that can be applied on the data that is present in the spreadsheet or the worksheet. Okay, we use functions for performing some calculations on the datas or the values that is present in the spreadsheet or a particular worksheet. Here the worksheet is referred to as the current page what we are working, that is called as worksheet, or else we can say it as sheet number 1. And the datas or the values and the values, they are also referred to as an arguments. Okay, by using all these functions we can even quickly and easily write the functions. And some of the common functions that I have mentioned in our lesson are average, max, that is called maximum value, sum and count. So with these are some of the functions. We have so many functions inside our spreadsheet. We are going to use along with the formulas. So a function, it is used to define the formulas that are applied in the given worksheet. It is a predefined formula that helps for performing calculation, that is using a very specific value in a given particular order. And it also includes some of the functions like sum, average, maximum value, minimum value, count, that is given for a range of cells. Okay. So this is some of the common functions: average, maximum value, minimum value, sum and count. So with this we will complete this session. With the next class we will learn what are called cells and what are called range reference, and how we are going to use the formulas inside the spreadsheets, and what are the other formulas and functions we have, and how we are going to use the spreadsheet with the number of rows and columns in it. Thank you all.